Okay, it's the Herminator here, and today what we're going to be talking about is just basically the concept of division. Now, the reason why a lot of people struggle with division is because they don't really understand like the true context of it. They're used to teachers just saying, what's 36 divided by 9, and it's like you're supposed to know it. And it's kind of frustrating when you don't. And before we can get to that, we have to understand what the concept of division is. So let's take the basic problem, 6 divided by 3. And I like to visualize it kind of like a real-world context in front of me. So this 3 right here, that's known as your divisor, okay? What it really means, a problem like that, is it means if I have 6 people in front of me, okay, 6 people sitting in front of me, and I'm putting them in groups of 3. I want to know how many full groups of 3 that's going to be, okay? So since I'm putting them in groups of 3, what I'm going to do is kind of put a 3 here, so that's 3 people. And then another 3 here, now that's 6 people, okay? Well, how many groups did that take? How many 3s did that take? Well, 1, 2, so it took 2, okay? So this is going to equal 2. Okay, 20 divided by 5, so it's like I have 20 people, and I'm making groups of 5, okay? So I take these groups, and everything I write down is going to be a group. So there's 1 group. There's 2 groups, so that takes me to 10 people. There's a 3rd group, now I'm at 15 people. And there's a 4th group, now I'm at 20 people, 5, 10, 15, 20, okay? So how many 5s did that take? It took 4. So the answer to 20 divided by 5 is 4. Again, it really helps if you think of this as being your groups, and then you got to count how many of them it takes to make this number here. So how many groups of 2 can I get out of 10 people? So there's 2. Now I'm at 4. Now I'm at 6. Now I'm at 8. And now I have 10. That's how many people we have. So how many groups is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Okay, now the 3. So 3. Remember, we need to make 9 people. There's 6. And there's 9. So how many did that take? 1, 2, 3. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Okay, so 18 divided by 3. So let's take again 3. Every group has 3 people in it. So there's 3 people here. Here's 3 here. So now I'm at 6. Now I'm at 9. Now I'm at 12. 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15. Now I'm at 15. 16, 17, 18. So we're at 18 people. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's going to be 6 groups of 3. Okay, 8 divided by 2. How many groups of 2 how many groups of 2 can I get out of 8 people? So remember, groups of 2. So 2. Now we're at 4. Now we're at 6. Now we're at 8. So we stop because we only have 8 people. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 15 divided by 5. Okay, so again, now the groups are 5. So 5, there's 1 group. Now I'm at 10, there's 2 groups. Now I'm at 15. 5, 10, 15. Okay, so how many groups of 5 is that? That's 3. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Okay, 12 divided by 2. So how many groups of 2 out of 12 people? Okay, so we're putting them in groups of 2. So 2. 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, so how many did that take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. And that's kind of how you need to think of division. Now, I'm either putting them in groups of 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20, so on. Or 2, so 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Or 3, so like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, so on, until I'm able to create the number that's right there. Okay, why don't you pause the video and see if you can do 1 through 4. I think that'll help, okay? Help you understand it at least a little bit. Okay, and then when you're done, unpause it. Okay, now the second thing. Now, of course, you're not always dividing by like 2, 3, and 5. And when people are able to calculate like all these division problems in their head, really they're just, what they've done is they've used their times tables. Okay, that's pretty much all this trick is to it. Okay, and there's like apps on your phone for times tables and all that you can get. So like a times table works like this. If I've got, don't write this down, just watch. If I've got like 7 times 8, so I go 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 meet somewhere. Okay, so here's 8, here's 7. Again, 7 and 8. So where they meet, 7 times, yep, so that's 56. Okay, so 7 times 8 is 56. So it's kind of where the two numbers meet at, and that's what the product is. It's what they multiply to. Now, all division is 18 divided by 6. You're taking 6, okay? You go look at the row of 6, and you find 18. Well, it's right there. Well, 6 times some number's 18. Well, what is it? It's 3, okay? So 18 divided by 6 is 3. Okay, 40 divided by 4. So I'm going to go look in the row with the number 4 and go find 40. And there's 40. So that means 10. Okay, 40 divided by 4 is 10. You just have to go find 4's partner in multiplication. Okay, 27 divided by 3. So I take 3. And I go find 27. And it's right here. And we're at 9. Okay. And that's how, when people do that in their head, that's what they're doing, okay? They're saying, okay, I know 8 times some numbers like 72. And if they know it, that's how they can instantly get the answer, okay? So 72 divided by 8, I go find 8. And there's 72, and 8's multiplication partner is 9, okay? So 9. 72 divided by 6, so I'm going to go look at the row of 6 and go find 72, and it's right here, and that has a partner of 12. So 72 divided by 6 is 12. Okay, 14 divided by 7, so we go 7, there's 14, so it's 2. Okay, 35 divided by 7, so 7, then I go find 35, and that's 5. And when people do that in their head, it's like they're visualizing a multiplication chart. They're like, 3 has a partner that if they multiply, they get 21. So I go look at 3, then I go find 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. Okay. And then do the back side of that one, okay?